So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have some new parts, so it's all new wheel brake disc. As you can see, the cover is already up. So yeah, let's go open them. So why new brake discs? Because those bolts, wheel nuts bolts, are broke and they're stuck in the old brake disc. But you can say I disassemble it all and then make new hole. I like the holes, all the bolts out and make new thread for the bolts, but I don't want to do that and I don't have time, because I think in 10 days this car needs to be ready, and 10 days is maybe not maybe for some people a lot, but not for me. What is wrong with this knife? So yeah, there's a new one. So now normally you can see and I ordered I have new wheel bolts and nuts for this one, so you can see, I think you can see it on camera with all the shaking. So that's it. So we need to get off the brake caliper and then the brake disc. So hopefully, so normally you can see like there's one bolt and there's one bolt and all the other are like stripped out. So yeah. When is it coming out? I don't know. There it is. That's one. And there was almost two. Uh, 16. Holly. Jongen, stom maken. That's one. So unfortunately I need to drill them out and make some new some wheel bolt like I think it's called dread, I don't know. So I need to drill them out and then make new ones and maybe clean those ones. But yeah, it's more work than I thought. So we are a couple of days further, and I ordered new brake discs for the rear, so those are on, and now we have new wheel studs, so they are on now, and the car is, I raised the car a little bit because I need to fit other wheels and tires, and those are a little bit like taller, so yeah, that's the next step. So fit all wheels and tires that I have, and then we can do the rest of the car. So if you can see, I put back the stock coilovers, like springs back, so that is, and I'll also did the wheel studs on all 4 wheels just to be sure. So yeah, that's it.